today?
What are we making? Do you know what we're making?
Protein bars.
We're making protein bars, and this one is
100% not for kids.
not for kids, 100% not for kids. But also, if you do want to make it for kids, you could just minus the protein powder, which we use. Oh, are you right? We use a natural protein powder anyway, but we would minus that for the kids. Okay, I'm going to put dates in the food processor first.
Peanut butter.
Yep, natural peanut butter. Okay. Well,
I want to lick it. I want to lick it.
you want to lick it. Okay, that's what you're here for. You're the cleaner. Now, once the peanut butter's in there, I just pulse it. Watch out, because you can't dirty me while you... Just pulse it until it's mixed together very well. Okay. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So we've got hemp seeds. Hemp seeds.
Oh.
This is seriously protein, right? This is serious stuff. And... Okay, do you want to put that in there for me? Oh, did you lick it all? Cool. Okay, protein powder, done. Done deal. Okay. So I'm scraping down the sides because you need it to become like a cookie dough. So you just need to make sure it's all mixing through. So I'll do that a couple of times. If it's a bit dry, you just put extra peanut butter just to make it wet a bit. Yep.
Mom, it's all a big Mom. Oh, that's really fancy.
Okay, so it's like cookie dough. As you can see, if you push it together, it sort of sticks, and it's crumbly as well, but not too crumbly. And we are gonna add it, thank you, a baking loaf pan. So we're just gonna put that in there. And then you just press it down to make sure that it's all well in the mould. Can you pass me a spoon, please?
Okay.
Thank you, because I need to firmly pack it in, and I need a spoon to do that. So as soon as I'm finished packing it in firmly, I'm going to put some dark chocolate on top. I'm going to drizzle it. So we'll drizzle some chocolate on top. Oh, look at that.
You can give it a...
Now, once it cools down in the fridge and sets, the chocolate will set on top as well, so that'll give it some extra flavour. Okay, we'll put it in the fridge and we'll come back and see what it looks like.
Mama.
So we're back with our protein bar that we made for the adults, and I've put it in the fridge or freezer for 15 minutes, so this is what it's going to look like. And you can get about 15 pieces out of this one, okay? Don't forget to take the protein powder out if you want to make it for kids. But this, if you chop it all up and put it in the fridge and just leave it there, it'll keep it nice and fresh. So this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Okay, there's your protein bars. Try it, make it for your lunch. Let us know what you think. Go to mumsathetable.com and look at more recipes, or follow us on Facebook, or like us on YouTube. We'll see you soon.